Pazhayaru. In the heart of the ancient lands of the Sangam period, where history and nature have intertwined, lies a lifeline that has sustained civilizations for millennia. This is the story of Pazhayaru. The ancient river, a symbol of beauty, utility and significance. Emerging from the northern slopes of the Western Ghats, it's here near Suralakodu, where the river officially adopts its name, Pazhayaru. With its waters cradled between the Velimalai range on the right and the Western Ghats on the left, embarks on a 35-kilometer journey, gracefully meandering through the Pazhayaru sub-basin. This river flows through a catchment area of 397 square kilometers. It reaches North Thamaraikulam, where its waters expand into a breathtaking lake-like formation. Ultimately, the river's journey culminates at the Manakkudi estuary, where it mingles with the vast waters of the Arabian Sea. It's a harmonious union of fresh water and salt water, a meeting of ecosystems that enrich the lives of countless species. It flows elegantly through 13 villages, 6 towns and 1 municipality, enriching the lives of those along its course. Through centuries, it has been harnessed by visionary rulers who built 11 anicuts and 13 diversions to irrigate vast areas of land, showcasing the advanced engineering of ancient civilizations. These remarkable structures were constructed by several prominent dynasties, including the Wayanad, Chera, Chola, Pandyan and Tiruvidangur dynasties. As time progressed, many of these ancient anicuts underwent modernization and improvements to enhance their functionality. But the river's journey is not without its challenges. In recent decades, Pazhayaru has faced encroachments, pollution from domestic and industrial sources, and a lack of efficient waste disposal. The once pristine river now struggles to maintain its ecological balance. In the face of mounting challenges, a group of like-minded individuals from the Kanyakumari district stood united. They saw the urgency, the need to protect and restore the ancient river, Pazhayaru. These passionate individuals joined hands, pooling their collective determination to make a difference. Together, they formed Namadu Pazhayaru Trust, an organization with a singular mission to restore and maintain the river, not in isolation but in harmony with a multitude of stakeholders. This trust embarked on a collaborative journey, working hand in hand with government bodies, non-governmental organizations, and the very communities that rely on the river's blessings. Their journey commenced with transect walks, a methodical exploration of the river's present condition. During these walks, they keenly observed the surroundings, engaging in educational sessions and community meetings with the farmers and villagers. Realizing the urgency, with the necessary administrative approvals, the field surveys were conducted based on the FMB records using the latest technology, the Differential Global Positioning System survey, and collected precise data on the river's condition, course, width, depth, and other relevant characteristics such as erosion hotspots, pollution sources, and encroachments. Collaboration with academic institutions like University College of Engineering, Nagarkoil, helped to validate this data on the field, ensuring accuracy further. An aerial drone survey was undertaken to accurately map the terrain. The GNSS receivers were calibrated for adequate georeferencing of the collected data. The challenges are many. Neglected diversion canals, changing agricultural patterns, land use and water demands, encroachments, pollution, and poor water management strategies. Being the only natural drainage of this sub-basin, the river is overburdened, leading to flooding during the monsoon, causing damage to the crops and lives. The Pazhayaru Basin, blessed by nature, has consistently received abundant rainfall, often surpassing the state's average. But amidst this abundance, there is a story of challenges that the Pazhayaru has endured. A history of flash flooding, an unpredictable force of nature, has posed its own trials. In the past few decades, the river has breached its banks numerous times, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. A lifeline that should have been protected now finds itself in need of rescue. Amidst the breathtaking landscapes of the Pazhayaru Basin, another silent crisis unfolds. Pollution, an invisible enemy that threatens the ancient river. Poor solid waste management practices and pollutants from the villages along the river banks are a growing concern. Domestic pollution, agricultural runoff, and discharges from rubber processing units have become the major sources of pollution. The pristine river, once a source of life and solace, is now unsuitable even for bathing. Rapid urbanization and the lack of efficient waste disposal systems have sealed its fate. Most diversion canals, once the lifeline of this region, now stand in desperate need of repairs and maintenance. Changing agricultural patterns and evolving land use have left the community facing a dilemma. A re-evaluation of water requirements is imperative. Pazhayaru, unfortunately, lacks effective water management strategies for distribution and flood control, putting lives and livelihoods at risk. Beneficiaries in the Ayakat areas associated with these canals often struggle to coordinate and regulate water flow, leading to inefficiencies and conflicts. Data is crucial for effective water management systems. The only source of water data is the Central Water Commission's gauge station near the ashram, leaving other areas and anikats devoid of critical information. The non-functional diversion canals towards the tail end of the river are not only hampering groundwater recharge but also allowing seawater intrusion, a threat to agriculture and life itself. The absence of bridges and approach roads at strategic locations further hampers farm operations, affecting livelihoods on both sides of the river. Traditional practices such as crematoriums, cemeteries, places of worship, and water utilization structures encroach upon precious river space, narrowing the lifeline of Pazhayaru. But in the face of adversity, there is always hope. The people of Pazhayaru are coming together, striving for solutions to preserve their way of life. Exploring the situational dynamics of Pazhayaru River is a wake-up call for stakeholders. It sheds light on the hidden struggles of the Pazhayaru River and the crucial role of stakeholders. This comprehensive report takes us on a journey through the most critical issues facing the river, revealing their true scale and urgency. Through interviews and stories, we hear the voices of the local community members who are at the heart of this battle. It's a call for action, a reminder that the responsibility for saving the Pazhayaru River lies with each and every one of us. The report offers a roadmap, a set of recommendations that, if implemented, could be the lifeline that Pazhayaru River so desperately needs.